The biggest threat facing many life insurance companies today isn't a competitor, it's invisibility inside AI-generated recommendations. Consumers are increasingly asking AI systems questions like, what's the best life insurance company? Or what's the cheapest term life insurance policy? And AI isn't simply providing information anymore, it's creating shortlists that influence buying decisions before customers ever visit a website. Hey, I'm Mark Huntley, founder and CEO of CiteWorks Studio. At CiteWorks Studio, we study how brands show up across Google, AI answers, and the public sources buyers trust before making decisions, and how that visibility turns into credible citations, comparisons, and recommendations. Life insurance has become one of the most AI-influenced financial categories because buyers face complicated decisions. Consumers worry about pricing, underwriting, coverage options, approval speed, and long-term trust. Instead of researching dozens of providers, they're increasingly asking AI systems for guidance. The result is a major shift in buyer behavior. Discovery is no longer happening primarily through search engines or carrier websites. It's happening through AI-generated recommendations, and that means visibility alone is no longer enough. One of the most important findings from the benchmark is that recommendation power in life insurance is concentrating around a relatively small group of providers. Brands like Pacific Life, Protective, Banner Life, Ladder, Haven Life, Ethos, and New York Life repeatedly appeared across high-intent buying prompts. These weren't just mentions, they were frequently positioned as recommended solutions. Pacific Life consistently appeared in discussions around best overall value and flexibility. Protective and Banner Life repeatedly surfaced for affordable term life insurance. Ladder became strongly associated with digital-first coverage and adjustable policies. The takeaway is simple. AI systems are not rewarding brand size alone. They're rewarding recommendation relevance. Another major shift is the growing strength of digital-first life insurance providers. Companies like Ethos, Haven Life, and Ladder perform particularly well when consumers ask about online life insurance, no medical exam policies, or fast approvals. In the structured benchmark, Ethos generated the strongest performance among tracked digital-first competitors. It achieved over 100 valid recommendations across 540 observations and led the group in recommendation coverage. What makes these companies different is not just their products, it's their alignment with what AI systems increasingly value: simplicity, speed, convenience, and clear positioning. One of the most important concepts in AI discovery is the difference between presence and recommendation. A life insurance company may appear in an AI response because it is large, trusted, or well-known. But appearing is not the same as being recommended. Some brands receive significant visibility yet fail to make the final shortlist that consumers actually consider. That's where recommendation placement becomes critical. When AI systems narrow an entire market down to 3, 5, or 7 providers, every brand outside that shortlist becomes dramatically less visible during the most important buying moments. For life insurance companies, the real competitive question is no longer, are we being mentioned? It's, are we being chosen? The benchmark also highlights another emerging advantage: citation architecture. Citation architecture refers to the network of sources AI systems rely on when describing and recommending brands. For life insurance, influential sources include Forbes Advisor, Insure.com, MoneyGeek, CNBC Select, Business Insider, Policy Genius, and other comparison ecosystems. AI systems don't simply count mentions, they absorb repeated narratives. Brands repeatedly described as affordable, trustworthy, flexible, financially strong, or easy to buy online become more likely to earn recommendation placement. That narrative reinforcement compounds over time. Here's the leadership takeaway: life insurance is becoming an AI-mediated shortlist market. The brands that win won't necessarily be the biggest. They'll be the brands that consistently earn recommendation status across the buyer moments that matter most: term life insurance, online life insurance, no medical exam coverage, affordability, and financial protection. The future competitive advantage isn't just visibility, it's becoming the answer AI systems trust enough to recommend. And for life insurance brands, that's a fundamentally different challenge than traditional marketing. If you want to understand how AI systems are recommending your life insurance brand and where competitors may be winning recommendation share, follow CiteWorks Studio for more insights into AI visibility, citation architecture, and recommendation stage discovery.